Hi everyone, welcome to Wednesday the 13th for English, and it is our third day on the snail and the whale. So again, if you're just joining us, that's okay. You just need to watch the snail and the whale on BBC iPlayer, or there's a link on the class story on Class Dojo. Yeah, cool. Let's get started. Okay. Right, so we've got our warm up. So again, we are going to be putting on our detective glasses. You're getting really good at this. So this one is a little bit different because before it was the capital letters that we were having a bit of an issue with at the beginning. But here, I think there's a capital letter maybe in the wrong place because we only need a capital letter at the start of a sentence and for somebody's name and for the name of a place. Okay, so have a look at that sentence, and you again need to pause me here and you can rewrite it so it's correct, or you can say to your parent, carer, or you can speak it to me. You can tell me what is wrong with that sentence. Okay, so pause me here and then move on when you're ready. Okay, so yesterday you were doing adjectives to describe. So remember, an adjective describes an object, which would be a noun. So for example, I'm in a dress today. I'll stand up, year one. I'm in a dress here, and this dress is flowery. This dress is black. The dress is orange. The dress is floaty to cover up my Christmas stomach. So those are adjectives that would describe an object, a noun, okay? So in this sentence here, we've got, I'll just underline the whole sentence so you know which bit I'm talking about. This one here, okay? That says, the snail had a stripy shell. The snail had a stripy shell. 6 words in that sentence. The word in red is the adjective. Stripy, we used that yesterday. And the word in blue is the object, or what we call the noun. Okay, so stripy is describing the shell. Okay, so the snail had a stripy shell. So stripy is describing the shell. Okay, let's move on. Right, let's look at another sentence. So yesterday you wrote a sentence about the whale and you used some fantastic adjectives. Here in school we said that the whale was adventurous, which was an amazing word to use. We said the snail was blue. I'm looking at the board actually. We said the snail was massive and kind. But this time we're going to talk about the snail's mouth. So we're not describing the whale. We're not describing the whole whale this time. We're just looking very carefully at his mouth. So let's have a look at this sentence here. I will underline it. Right, so it says, the whale had a wide mouth. So again, we've got 6 words. This word in red is our adjective, and it is describing our noun, and the noun is in blue. So the wide is describing the whale's mouth. Okay, let's move on. So now it is your turn. So we've done some examples and I want you to be writing me a sentence. There's a sentence on this slide to do, and then there'll be another sentence. So this question asks, how could you fill in the gap for this sentence? It says, the whale swam through the something sea. Have a look at that picture. What does that sea look like? Oh, that's a lovely picture. I'd quite like to be there. So the whale swam through the something sea. I'm going to give you one as an example. I'm going to see if I can write it. So you could say the whale swam through the it's hard to type. Or the calm, because that picture to me, that sea looks lovely and calm. So the whale swam through the calm sea. Okay, so it's your turn now. So you're going to need to pause me and write your own sentence to describe the sea. So yesterday we described the whale, now we're describing the sea. If you want to challenge yourself, you could use and. So you could write the whale swam through the something and something sea. Okay, you could even say the adventurous whale swam through the calm sea. You could add an adjective for whale as well. So pause me here, complete that sentence, and then when you're ready, unpause me, and there'll be one more sentence at the end. Okay, let's try with a different picture. I'm not sure I'd want to be in the sea of this picture this time. So how could you fill in the gap for this sentence? So having a look at that picture there. Ooh, that looks a bit dangerous to me, and that looks a bit scary and a bit rough. So think about how you could finish this sentence. Not finish, fill in the gap. The whale swam through the something sea. Have a look at that picture. Okay, what words could you use to describe the sea? And at this point, you also might want to think about how the whale was feeling when he swam through the sea. So would it be the happy whale, or would it be the nervous whale? Think about how that whale is feeling as he is swimming through that picture of the sea. You could make your writing even better. So again, you're going to need to pause me here to write a sentence about that horrible, dangerous sea, and then take a picture of your lovely learning and pop it onto the portfolio. All right, thank you, Year 1.